Welcome back to Any Topics. If you're looking to spruce up your home without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore some easy and budget-friendly home improvement ideas that can make a big difference in your living space. Let's get started. First up, give your walls a facelift. A fresh coat of paint can completely transform the mood of a room. Feeling adventurous? Try an accent wall in a bold color or use peel and stick wallpaper for a trendy touch. It's easy to apply and remove. Lighting is key to setting the vibe in your home. Swap out old light fixtures for something more modern or add dimmer switches for a customizable atmosphere. Even simple updates like changing to energy-efficient LED bulbs can brighten up your space, literally and figuratively. You don't need to buy new furniture to make a statement. Try reupholstering chairs, adding colorful throw pillows, or rearranging your furniture for a fresh perspective. Small tweaks can make your old pieces feel brand new. Your kitchen deserves some love too. Replace cabinet hardware for a sleek update or add peel and stick backsplash tiles to instantly upgrade the look. A quick declutter and organization session can also make the space more functional and inviting. Nothing breathes life into a home like plants. Add a few potted plants, hang planters near your windows, or start a mini herb garden in your kitchen. Not only do they look great, but they also improve air quality. Finally, don't overlook your home's exterior. A fresh coat of paint on your front door, a new welcome mat, or some potted plants can make your entryway more inviting. Small touches can boost your home's curb appeal in no time. See? Home improvement doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little creativity and effort, you can make your space feel brand new. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Any Topics for more great tips. See you in the next video.